Have you ever opened a PDF and found the pages rotated sideways or upside down? Incorrect page orientation can make documents difficult to read, print, and share. With Softaken Rotate PDF Online free, you can quickly correct the orientation of your PDF pages in just a few clicks, completely free and without installing any software. Problem: have you ever opened a PDF only to find that some pages are sideways or upside down? This is a common issue with scanned documents, reports, presentations, and forms. Incorrect page orientation makes documents difficult to read, review, print, and share. While some PDF viewers allow temporary rotation, they often don't save the changes permanently. Installing large desktop software just to rotate a few pages can also be time-consuming and unnecessary. Fortunately, there's a faster and more convenient way to fix your PDF files online. Solution: introducing Softaken Rotate PDF Online free, a fast, secure, and easy-to-use online tool that lets you permanently rotate PDF pages in just a few clicks directly from your web browser. Benefits of rotating PDF online: 3 rotation angles. Rotate pages by 90 degrees, 180 degrees, or 270 degrees. Browser-based, works directly in your web browser. Free to use. Rotate PDFs at no cost. Rotate all pages. Rotate the entire document in one click. No installation, no software download required. Original files safe. Create a rotated copy while keeping the original unchanged. No sign-up needed. Start rotating instantly. Fast and easy. Complete the process in just a few seconds. Step 1. Upload your PDF. Drag and drop your PDF or click to upload. Step 2. Select rotation. Choose 90 degrees, 180 degrees, or 270 degrees rotation. Step 3. Download rotated PDF. Download your corrected PDF instantly. Save time and make your PDF documents easier to read with Softaken Rotate PDF Online free. Try it today and simplify your PDF editing experience. Thanks for watching.